Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to try out one of my viewers' suggestions, which is cleaning the 3D printer glass bed using sandpaper and water. So I have here some water, some paper towel, and very smooth sandpaper. I chose the CC5000. This is very smooth and I do not recommend using a rough sandpaper. I still think this might scratch the top layer of the glass bed. So I would be careful. And just to be clear, I'm not recommending you try this. I do not care much about this bed. It's pretty much damaged for me. And I'm just going to try this as an experiment. So maybe towards the end of this video, see the result and decide for yourself. Now, I also in general do not recommend the glass bed. If you really want to upgrade your 3D printer bed, I would go with the PEI bed instead or stick with the original. The glass bed just doesn't bend, and that's a deal breaker to me. So let me try it. Let's give this a shot and see the result, and then decide for yourself if you want to try this. Once again, I'm using very smooth sandpaper here, and I still think this is going to damage the top layer, which I don't really care about, but let's give it a shot. I'm just going to grab the sandpaper and then, soak that into the water and then start to kind of rub it in a little bit. And then maybe we want to wet the bed a little bit because without the water, I think we're just going to scratch the bed really bad. So I'm just going to do this for the entire bed and then making sure that I get every edge and corner. And let's see how that looks like. I'll probably go with the circular motion. I think that's helpful because that way you don't have to make some new scratches. Once again, this is not proven way to clean up the bed, so I'm not gonna recommend it honestly, but I don't care about my bed. So if I ruin this one, at least we have a lesson learned, and hopefully you save yourself from ruining your bed. So I'm just gonna experiment with this one and see. Now here making sure that I'm doing the other direction. So to get every bit of the stuck PLA on the bed. So I just finished sanding the bed. You can see the bed is definitely cleaner and looks much better. But also that top shiny layer, it's kind of reduced or almost gone. So you can still see it here on the edge, but it used to be a lot more. I'm not sure if that's going to have any impact on the performance, like the adhesion or the self-release. I don't think so, but again, no guarantees. So this is the final result. I would say you decide for yourself. And after I finished sanding the bed, I just gave it a quick rinse with soap and water as usual. So that's the final result. Let me know what you think. And if you're going to try this, be careful. And definitely, I wouldn't try it if your bed doesn't look that bad. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.